Hi, Stephanie. I got your email and I wanted to show you where the name game, you were asking about this discussion here today. Notes U2A1 is referring to Unit 2, Activity 1, because we're on to a new unit. The discussion called the name game, there's two ways to access it. You can go through here, but I would highly recommend using the content because there's part of the assignment that is listed within here. So I'm in your account right now, so whatever you're seeing on this screen would be what you're going to see as well. So you can see that I'm you right up there. So I'm going to click on the course, and I've opened up Unit 2 now. I've only opened up Activity 1 because I'm editing some of the other pages, but that's where you're going to find the information. So Unit 2, Activity 1, and you're going to be working on that for about a week. So this is where you're going to be. So what I would highly recommend is that you make an ongoing Google Doc or Word document, and you're going to make notes on some of the questions that it's asking you or recording the information. We're going to be looking at writing short stories within Unit number 2, and so one of the things that you're going to evaluate is the importance of choosing names, and so it gives a little Romeo and Juliet. But your name game activity is a discussion that it's asking you to come up with 3 names from the interactive and then respond to 3 of your peer mates in the discussion with the names they have, and you're going to create a profession, personality, and characteristics about them based on that name. So here's the interactive here. If it doesn't show up on your screen like it has on mine, if you're working on a tablet, then if this doesn't show up, then you can click on this link and it will open it up in a separate page. And what you're going to do is go through the interactive activity, and you're going to click on telling you what to do, and look at some of the personality and connecting those together. So you're going to go through this interactive activity, post in the discussion what names you come up with, and then choose 3 of the peers who have also posted in this discussion and post about their profession, personality, and characteristics. Just to point out where that is, you can actually go into the discussions after you've done the interactive activity. You can go in through the content, or you can even go in through here. Okay, hope that helps. Let me know if you have any more questions.